Hey, I'm Mindy Kniss. This is the Daily Rage. This is one of my favorite days to trade because there were so many options. You could have made money to the high side, you could have made money to the low side, you could have made money to both sides. So let's just walk through the price action here. This is the NASDAQ futures on a 2-minute time frame. A little bit of downward movement. I mean, nothing crazy before the open. So, okay, cool. Like decent short there. And then switched to direction based on this fractal here. Could have gone long up in here till the open. And this is the opening candle, this big red one. So I don't generally trade that unless I'm already in a position, but I don't necessarily initiate on that candle until, after the first 2 minutes. So I'm not even going to count that as a short. But, if you like to scalp, that would have worked out too. And then we pushed higher, higher, higher. Really nice long after that open range breakout right here. Just then, if you were waiting to short it, that would have worked out really well for you as well. Like that's a fair bit of move, especially on the NASDAQ. I mean, even on the micro NASDAQ, it's a nice move. And then we pushed higher still. Cool. Another great long. And then, although there were, bits of choppiness in here, we overall went down for essentially the rest of the day. We were way up here and just cruised lower over time. You'll see this as we kind of, let's get this back on our screen. All right, so this was the low of the day. Beautiful V bottom, down, 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 fractaled, and then worked its way higher. So lots of opportunity today. And a lot of people ask me, well, what's the best time to trade? And there really isn't a best time to trade. I'll turn my little markers on and show you when I was trading, just so you can see a visual. Okay, so I was trading a little bit pre-market, and you can see like my trades are real tiny. I mean, these were not big things. I made some money to the upside here. I made some money to the downside here. And then I had to stop trading because I got to spend some lovely amount of time today at the dentist. So I was not trading as much as I normally might. So I cut it early. I think I was up maybe, I don't know, like 200 or 300 bucks. And then I came back after the dentist and it just really took a couple more positions. This didn't really work out because it was kind of choppy. This got a little bit better to the downside. And I was like, okay, maybe after this bounce, we can like go again. And thankfully I was able to catch from here to looks like down here before that bounced again. So that worked out really well for me. You can see that I didn't quite hit my daily profit target, but close enough. I'll take it and then see what I can do tomorrow. I'm Mindy Kniss. Thanks so much for watching.